So you might have been watching me write all of those labels thinking, why on earth is she starting 23 different varieties of tomatoes? And the only reason really is because I want to. It may be that not all of these will end up in the garden this year. Some of them I might decide to put on the farm stand or give away. But I think it's more than likely that at least most of these will end up with at least 1 or 2 plants going into the garden here at home or at the allotment. So I'm just starting with Tiny Tim, and I've only got 5 seeds left of that. So there you go, I'm already restraining myself to only 5 of one variety. How good am I? There we go. So remember to put that one in the bin and not back in the seed box. Okay. Oh, I've put my label in already. And the last one, this kind of gets its own category. Zachy. So loud. loud. Not sure what she's kicking up a fuss about, but she's not happy about something. What are you doing? All right. So yeah, so this one, as I was saying, this one, really? You're going to do it again if I start talking. This one gets a category. Yes, you are. Look at that. That's disgraceful behaviour. Category all of its own. This is Roma, and I'm growing more of these than the other varieties, or I will be keeping more of these plants than the other varieties, because I do really want to try my hand this year at doing a bit more preserving, and tomatoes are perhaps one of the simplest things to start with when you're learning to preserve, because they are an acidic product, so there's much less risk involved in canning them. So, my goodness, Zaki. So I'm going to start about 30 to 40 plants, and keep, I'm not sure exactly how many yet, but 15 or so, we'll see. It depends how much bed space we manage to get prepped between now and May when they get planted out. And they will all be going outdoors. The Roma, I'm not gonna dedicate greenhouse or polytunnel space to them. So there we go. 23 varieties of tomato ready to go.